Hello guys, welcome to Not On My Watch. Today I have another Laco unboxing and first impression video. Before we get into this box, first a wristwatch check. I am wearing my Chrono Tokyo Seiji on my new strap that I got a couple of days ago from Deluxe, which is beautiful, and really enjoy this watch. Finally I got a strap for it that I like, and I'm gonna be wearing this a lot. But today we're gonna talk about Laco, and this is a big box from Laco. If you saw one of my previous videos, I unboxed a similar box, which was a Erbstück model. Don't remember which one it was. I think it was like a Polyborn. But today we have an even more special watch, and I'm so excited to show it to you. I also want to let you know that this is not my watch. I am just borrowing it for this video. It is brand new and everything, so we're just going to take a quick look at it, and I just wanted to show it to you because it's so cool. So let's lift this lid, and there you see what it is already. It is the München Erbstück, one of only 30 pieces. This is the certificate of authenticity. In here you can see it's number 4, that's the top grade movement. It's a Vajro 7750. Some information about the watch, about you know how it measures. Very cool. Has the stamp there, tested quality. Very nice. Let's put this aside and check out the main box. I'm gonna take it out of this cardboard box. It's very heavy. There we go. The box is really nice. It's wooden, has the Laco logo, and it has this button in front. So let's click the button and open it up. And there it is. You get the warranty card, a instruction manual. Put that to the side. Here's the watch. I'm gonna take it out of the box, and let's take a closer look. So here is the watch. It's the München Erbstück, and very special watch. It is very nice. This is grade 2 tear, which is the normal grade. With grade 3 they take out some of the lume in the hands, and it's like even more destroyed. But I like grade 2 the most. You have this signature on the side. These beautiful crowns. Very special strap. I'm not even sure how it works. And then the case back has this normal information, but it also says limited edition, and it's etched in number 4 of 30. Very cool watch. You know, it's not something for me. I personally would rather go with the normal version, because you know this Erbstück model is not cheap. It is 3,120 euros with the top grade movement. So it's a pricey watch. You know, it's a lot of money to spend for a Laco, I guess. So you know, this is for people that is very interested in the history or collects Laco. I can definitely understand why they want this one. For me personally, as someone who wears my watches, this is more like a museum piece, and not something I would spend this much money on. But it is very cool. I really like it, and it is, you know, very special. So let's try and wind it up. It winds beautifully. Try and start the chronograph. There we go. Stop and reset. Does it reset exactly at 12? It looks like it doesn't reset at 12 at first, but it does. It's just the camera playing tricks on me. Yeah, very nice. Let's try and set the time. Let's see, time, there we go. Crown operation is very smooth, feels very good. It does have German days, but I think, oh, that's smooth. And Freitag, no, Dienstag, Monday, Sonntag, Montag. Okay, so I don't understand this date wheel. It's too long since I've had German to understand this, but I thought maybe it had English and German, but it's only German, as far as I can tell. Since this is a brand new watch, it's not mine, I'm not gonna start wearing it and show it on my wrist. It is way too big for me anyway. I mean, compared to the Chrono Tokyo, it looks like a kid's watch next to this. So anyway, I just wanted to show you this watch because it's so cool. Look at it, thermally blued hands, look beautiful in the light. I really love the patina, and I especially love, you know, a little bit like, looks like rust around where the hands are connected in the center. And yeah, it's a very, very special watch. What do you guys think? Would you spend extra money to get the Erbstück model? It's also more limited, only 30 pieces compared to the normal München chronograph, which I believe is limited to like 150 or something. Might be wrong, but somewhere around that. It's a really cool watch. I really like it. For me, if I had this, I would never wear it, but it would definitely be on display. But let me know what you guys think. Are the Erbstück models worth it? I'm very eager to hear what you guys think. And yeah, that's all for this video. Just a quick video. I wanted to show you this very, very special watch, and also wanted to show you my new strap. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will be making more Laco videos very soon. I thought about comparing the basic Flieger models to the originals, and they also launched the Pro models, which are customizable. So maybe I'll take a look at those. Let me know if there's anything you want to know about Laco. Thanks so much for watching again. If you want to watch another video, I will put one around here. Yep, have a nice day and goodbye.